It has at least 95 known moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Yet, this giant world does not protect its family, it devours them. What happens when a massive planet begins swallowing its own neighbors? Welcome to Cosmic Clips. Real NASA scientists are about to reveal the terrifying mechanics of this cosmic vacuum. They will show you how gravity shifts and why nothing inside this system is safe forever. Prepare to witness a universe turning against itself. Jupiter holds more than 300 times the mass of Earth, and that sheer weight acts as a cosmic shield, literally saving us from endless asteroid bombardment. Without this gravitational guardian, our neighborhood would be a chaotic debris field. In fact, the planet is so massive it could swallow every other world in our system and still keep going. Its gravity is a vacuum cleaner for space junk, pulling comets into fiery death spirals before they ever reach our orbit. This giant also spins so fast its equator bulges noticeably, creating a shape that defies simple spheres. Meanwhile, its thick atmosphere churns with storms larger than Earth itself, trapping heat from the sun to create a runaway greenhouse effect far beyond our own. Imagine standing on a cloud deck so high you float above the visible night sky, looking down at swirling bands of color that have raged for centuries. Now, picture yourself drifting through that violent weather where pressure builds until you are crushed without a second thought. Our lead scientist, Dr. Elena Vance, has spent her career mapping these invisible forces that dictate the fate of asteroids. She explains how this single body controls the destiny of the entire neighborhood. But there is one more layer to this story that will change how you see the stars above.
Hello, and welcome to another virtual episode of NASA Science Live. I'm your host, Tahira Allen, and today we are thrilled to talk about
Mars hosts Olympus Mons, a colossal volcano towering 13 miles high, the tallest in our solar system. This giant tells us why the planet was once geologically violent. A single day here stretches 24 hours and 37 minutes, nearly identical to our own. Yet the sky shifts from blue to rusty orange in an instant. Dust storms can swirl for months, choking the sun until it vanishes behind a haze of iron oxide. The silence is absolute. Without wind or water, the wind howls through canyons carved by ancient floods. We stand on a dead world that still holds secrets of our own early history. Dr. Aris Thorne, a planetary geologist who has spent decades analyzing rover data from the surface, explains the final piece of the puzzle. The data confirms that Mars lost its magnetic field billions of years ago, allowing the solar wind to strip away its atmosphere layer by layer.
On NASA's Perseverance Mars rover, we have not one, but two microphones. And these microphones are the very first instruments of their kind ever to go to Mars. I'm Nina Lanza, and I'm a scientist at Los Alamos National Laboratory.
Hi, I'm Justin Mackey, an imaging scientist at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. One of the microphones is mounted on the mast and moves around as we point the cameras. The other microphone is mounted to the rover body, and it stays fixed onto the port side of the rover.
The real takeaway is that our entire solar system is vulnerable to the unpredictable fury of our giant neighbor. This isn't just distant science. It is a warning that shapes our future survival. Standing beneath such violent beauty, one simply cannot help but feel utterly humbled. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe to Cosmic Clips for a new space documentary every week.